going to show you how I do product research to find bestsellers for Etsy. First of all, you want to go over to Etsy itself, and they have a marketplace insights where you can search for the niches you want to check. Let's say raccoon shirt, and we see they have a lot of searches but also a lot of competition, and obviously you want to search for something which has a high search volume but low competition, and then you can check for other tags and maybe find some better ones. Let's try some other ones, maybe mushroom shirt, and here the ratio is different again, lower search volume but also lower competition. And once you found a niche you think is good, you scroll down and see the full search results. Now you actually don't know if these designs are selling other than the Etsy pick or bestseller tag. So what you want to do is you want to get some third-party app. Now I use Palo tags. This is a paid program, but they have a free plan. And also you can try it out for 7 days, and if you don't like it, you don't have to buy it. So what you want to do is install the Chrome extension. Okay, and now we can actually see the visits and favorites, which might already be enough, but I'm going to log into the extension to see the full data. Now we can also see the age and estimated sales. This one does pretty well, so I'm going to save it for later. Let's scroll down. You see some of them actually almost don't have any views. If you want, you could filter for bestsellers, or what I like to do more is filter for views. So let's say at least 1,000 views, and save them for later here. Maybe to avoid older listings, we can also limit the age to 6 months. And then we see we actually only have one which has over 1,000 views and is under 6 months. We can save this for later as well. And you are going to want to do this for a while. And once you are done, you can go back to Palo tags, and in the saved listings tabs, we see all the listings we just saved, and we can actually see the tags they use, the title they use, all the images, and now we can try to make our own version of these listings. I hope this video helped you guys. I will leave a link to the extension down in the description below.